All right, kids, metal. We are going to do a supercar race with the Piranha 21.5K motors and all these Corvettes. 3 Corvettes. We got Mike in the Corvette Pace Car. We got Kurt in the Corvette C8-R Silver, Black, and Yellow. And we got Dave in the Calloway Corvette.
Old school front engine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Switch lanes, will you?
Sure. Yep. All right. 21 laps, 5 strikes, you're out.
C7 like yours, though.
Here we go, boys.
Is this C8? Oh, I didn't know that.
This is a different one.
Yes, it is with that scoop on the side.
It is.
Hold up.
One. Other line.
What are you doing?
It's fixing things.
Then everybody starts before me.
This is in the front. Dave's using the pump technique. He wants to win.
Oh, man.
One Mike, one Dave. That's it.
Ah! 2, Mike.
Too long fuel, guys. Don't forget.
Yep.
Wait, why's mine not fueling? Why's mine not fueling? What the
You might
fuck?
have got knocked out. Go back and try again.
Yeah.
Well, that sure helped.
Oh,
there's
fuel
one for
in there,
me.
you know?
Oh, man, I'm fucked
There you go,
now.
champ.
I'm fucked now.
Second place, A-Pad.
No, second place is first loser.
Easy on the F
Keep
bombs,
going.
kids.
Fuck
There you
that
go.
stopping bullshit.
Easy on the F bombs, Dave.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Fletcher.
I want to leave some audio in here.
Ah, 3 for
Hold up,
Mike.
hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up,
Burn
hold up, hold up, hold up.
Fuck, you did it to me, man. I'm just keep
Inside,
on
inside.
going. Going what? We're stopping?
Sure, you need to do sometime in the next lap or two. Alright.
Oh, 4
Fix
for
Mike,
Mike.
fix Mike, fix Mike, fix Mike, fix Mike. Skull has finished refueling.
Mike, you want to think about fuel?
You don't need a lot though.
No, you do not.
Flash and go.
That's my motto.
Oh, there's a different look at that. That one's clean.
Okay. The innuendo.
Yeah, the E and E.
Oh, yeah. Wait,
What's going on?
We got a wreck.
Oh no. Citizens up.
that was the end of my race.
Dave, you are. You
No
gonna go
more
for it?
fumes. He's gonna go for it. He did it.
No.
No, Kurt won. Kurt won.
Did, yeah.
No, Kurt, I was trying to catch you. I saw him.
Good job.
I saw he's a half a lap in front of me.
All right, so we had Kurt, the Hatman, and then Mike. Good
Yep.
race, gentlemen. Medal.
Whoa.
Crashing into the barrels.
So what you
I'm
got
like,
to
we're all
have
too
to
much together for
Look at
someone
that
not
barrel
to.
mess you guys made.